My name's Erin Murphy and I'm studying a HND in Animal Biology and Wildlife Conservation. I chose to study this course because I feel like it will really help with my future career ambitions, a career in zookeeping or conservation. The course really intrigued me and the class is really small, which I quite like. We visited Powell Cotton at Quetts Park and we recently been to Wildwood, which were both really quite interesting and helped with our work and general understanding of the animal world really and industries. So I didn't want to go to uni because big environment, loads of people. I find it better connecting, getting a personal interaction with a teacher. It's quieter, calmer, it's a lot smaller, it's a lot more personal with your teachers, you get to interact. We can get quicker support on our assignments if needed. So at the end of the day, I know I've benefited from having a smaller group. My advice would be just apply. Applying early will give you an opportunity just to make sure you're doing the right thing.